Hello students, you welcome in our YouTube channel विवेकानंदा अकेडमी ऑफ लर्निंग। सो फ्रेंड्स, आज हम इस वीडियो में बात करेंगे बीकॉम सेम 3 HNG ऑनलाइन एग्ज़ाम जो शॉर्टली यानी कि जनवरी में होने वाली है, उसके बारे में बात करेंगे। उससे रिलेटेड हमने इस वीडियो में MCQs बनाए हैं, जो उसका मेन टॉपिक है कंज्यूमर प्रोटेक्शन एक्ट। और यदि आप हमारे चैनल पर नए हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा और बेल आइकन भी प्रेस कीजिएगा ताकि आपको हमारे हर एक वीडियोस और नोटिफिकेशन मिलते रहे। और हमारे चैनल पे डिफरेंट टाइप्स के यानी डिफरेंट स्ट्रीम्स के वीडियो ऑलरेडी अपलोड हो चुके हैं, तो आप चैनल पे जाके देख सकते हैं। सो नाउ लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। अब हम इस वीडियो के क्वेश्चंस के यानी कि MCQ के रिलेटेड बात करेंगे। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, कंज्यूमर प्रोटेक्शन एक्ट इज अ सिग्निफिकेंट टू ऑप्शंस आर ए इमूवेबल गुड्स, बी मूवेबल गुड्स, सी पर्टिकुलर गुड्स एंड services, and D all goods and services. So the correct answer is D all goods and services. Next question, how many rights does a consumer have under the Consumer Protection Act? 8, 6, 4 or 5? So the correct answer is B, 6. Next, third question, under this act, this minimum age of forum member of or district forum should be, options are A 30, B 40, C 35, D 65. So the correct answer is C 35. Next question, the maximum age for a state commission member should be, options are A 60, B 35, C 70, D 67. So the correct answer is D 67. Next question, the maximum age of a national commission member should be, options are A 60, B 35, C 70, D 65. So the correct answer is C 70. C 70 is the correct answer. Next question, in which forum it is compulsory to have a female member? Options are A national commission, B state commission, C district commission, and D all of the above. So the correct answer is D all of the above. Next question, within how many days the opposite party has to answer after they are informed about the complaint? Options are A1, B5, C 20, D 15. So the correct answer is A1. Next question, court fees charged under the Consumer Protection Act is A, options are A appropriate, B nominal, C exorbitant, and D nil. So the correct answer is B nominal. Next question, appeal against the means order of the district forum can be done in, options are A state forum, B high court, C national forum, and D supreme court. So the correct answer is A state forum. Next question, the Consumer Protection Act 1986 was enacted on, options are A 24th of October 1986, B 24th of October 1987, C 24th of August 1986, D 15 June 1986. So the correct answer is A 14th October 1986. Next question, who shall be the chairman of the state consumer protection councils? Options are A minister in charge of consumer affairs in the central government, B the minister in charge of consumer affairs in the state government, C the chief minister of the state, D the governor of the state. So the correct answer is B the minister in charge of consumer affairs in the state government. Next question, which is not a part of a consumer under the Consumer Protection Act? Right to safety, not part. So understand the question, which is not a part of rights of the consumer under the Consumer Protection Act. So options are A right to safety, B right to information about quality, quantity, purity, standard price, etc., C right to choose, D right to be heard, E right to redress, C. Right to consumer education, total 6 rights given above, and right to return the goods. So the correct answer is G. Right to return the goods. Next question. Right of consumer are protected under A. Consumer Protection Act 1986, B. Consumer Protection Act 1990, C. Consumer Protection Act 1982, D. Consumer Protection Act 1991. So the correct answer is A. Consumer Protection Act 1986. Next question. The consumer has the right to get compensation against unfair trade practices under right to. Options are A. Right to choose, B. Right to seek redressal, C. Right to safety, and D. All of the above. So the correct answer is B. Right to seek redress. Next question. 15. A blanks is a standardized mark of jewelry. Options are A. ISI, B. FPO, C. Hallmark, and D. CERC. So correct answer is C. Hallmark. Next question. Blank are made to hear complaints of a value less than 5 lakhs. So the options are A. Consumer forum at district level, B. State commission, C. National commission, and D. None of the above. So the correct answer is A. Consumer forum at district level. Next question. The rights of consumers as per Consumers Protection Act does not include right to be. Options are A. Informed, B. Heard, C. Safety, and D. Presented. So the correct answer is D. Presented. Next question. The appeal against the order of the National Forum can be done in. Options are A. District Court, B. High Court, C. Supreme Court, and D. State Forum. So the correct answer is C. Supreme Court. Next question. In case of death of a consumer who can prefer complaint under Section 2(1)(b) of Consumer Act 1986. So the options are his legal heir of representative, B. State government, C. Consumer Association registered under the Complaints Act 1956, and D. None can prefer complaint. So the correct answer is A. His legal heir or representative. Next question. In which of the forum there is a compulsion that a female should be a member of the forum? A. District forum, B. State commission, D. National commission, and D. All of the above. So the correct answer is D. All of the above. Next question. Which of the following is not a consumer right? So options are A. Right to heard, right to seek redressals, C. Right to discount, and D. Right to consumer education. So the correct answer is C. Right to discount. Next question. Consumer can ask anything regarding date of manufacture, price, quantity, etc. is an example of. Options are A. Right to choose, B. Right to safety, C. Right to inform, and D. Right to be heard. So the correct answer is C. Right to be informed. Next question. Which consumer right provides a safeguard for consumers against goods and services which are hazardous to death? Options are A. Right to choose, B. Right to safety, C. Right to be informed, and D. Right to be heard. So the correct answer is right to safety, B. Next question. Which one of the following is consumer disputes redressal agency? Options are A. District forum, B. State commission, C. National commission, and D. All of the above. So the correct answer is D. All of the above. Next question. When does an aggrieved person can appeal against district forum? Options are A. High Court, B. Supreme Court, C. State Commission, and D. National Commission. So the correct answer is C. State Commission. Next question. In case an aggrieved consumer is not satisfied with the decision of the State Commission, he can make a further appeal in. Options are A. National Commission, B. Supreme Court, C. District Forum, and D. All of the above. So the correct answer is A. National Commission. Next question. In case an aggrieved consumer is not satisfied with the order of the National Commission, he can make further appeal in. Options are A. State Commission, B. Supreme Court of India, C. District Forum, and D. All of the above. So the correct answer is B. Supreme Court of India. Next question. Due to negligence of the doctors, Jayesh passed away within a week's time after his surgery of the spine. Which of the following parties cannot file a case in this regard? The consumer, any registered consumer association, C, a legal heir or representative of deceased consumer, and D, all of the above. So the correct answer is C, a legal heir or representative of a deceased consumer. So students, this much of questions will be helpful for you in HNGU examination, which is going to be conducted in January. Okay students, so if you are new, again just I am reminding you, please subscribe our channel and do press bell icon so that you can get notification of our channel. And about commerce, there are other videos also has been uploaded in our video in our channel, so you can get it from that. Okay students, bye.